Good morning everybody. I, Professor Y.T. Shinde, Associate Professor and Head, Department of Botany, Maharaj Jivajirao Shinde Mahavidyalaya, Srigonda, District Ahmednagar. Our college is affiliated by Savitribai Phule Pune University, Pune. The syllabus of SYBSc is implemented or to be implemented for academic year 2020-2021. This is the syllabus structure of SYBSc. Today, I delivered a lecture on SYBSc syllabus, systems of classification. First system, natural system, second system, first system, artificial system, second system, natural system, and third system, phylogenetic system. But fourth system, APG system of plant classification is included in our syllabus. This is a video lecture for SYBSc students. And this lecture is only for video purpose or educational purpose. This video lecture is for only educational purpose for SYBSc students. Today, we will discuss about APG systems of plant classification in paper number 1st, semester 3rd, taxonomy of angiosperm and plant ecology, credit points 2. The lecture is derived on APG system. APG is an informal international group of systemic botany or botanists. This group come together and tried to develop knowledge about plant relationships and discovered systems of classification. They developed a group of botanists, of very disciplined scientists, botanists, and discovered systems of classification. And these systems of classification develop knowledge about affinities and relationships of plants. This system are advanced phylogenetic studies, that is APG means Angiosperm Phylogenetic Group is the advanced phylogenetic studies of angiosperm. This was the very first attempt towards the development of a cladistic or molecular system of classification. This is cladistic or molecular systems of classification in angiosperm, and this is the first system of angiosperm. The first version of attempt takes place in 1998. In 98, the first version or attempt takes place for APG of very disciplines botanists, and developed systems of classification and named as Angiosperm Phylogeny Group 1 or APG1 in 1998. The same system underwent the revision in 2003 and was released as APG second system. But third, each version replaces the previous one, that is APG first, APG second replaces previous one. This informal group then again revised, that is APG first, APG second again revised in 2009 and 2009 and was published in APG third. That is, there are three systems, APG first, APG second, APG third. Each version replaces the previous one. That is previous APG 1, APG second, APG third replace APG fourth. This version or attempt takes place in 2016 and named as Angiosperm Phylogeny Group 4th. Phylogeny Group 4th. Each version replaces the also three systems, first, second and third. This informal group is various discipline scientists such as gross morphology, anatomy, embryology, phytochemistry, karyogamy and palynology, and also more strongly molecular data with respect to DNA, that is ATB, DNA segments of two chloroplasts, ATP, B and RBCL, and are nucleogene ribosomal ATNase DNA. The most recent updated version APG4 in 2016 recognized 64 orders and 416 families. But in India, out of these, 259 families are present, or it represents 259 families in our India. Out of these families, 259, 400 families. Out of these 259 families, scientists of India or Indian botany scientists described various or used descriptions of various plants and adopted or accepted systems of APG4 216. The APG4 system is divided into three clades: early angiosperms, monocots and eudiocots. Early angiosperms, monocots and eudiocots. What is the characters of early angiosperms? Early angiosperms, 8 orders and took to 26 families. ANA plus grade plus magnolids plus chloranthes. Then monocots, second grade monocots, 11 orders and 77 families. Basal monocots plus lilioids plus combinidins. Then third clades, eudiocots. Eudiocots is divided into three types or three subclades: early diverging eudiocots, that is EDE. Then 18 orders, 150 families, then 20 orders, 146 families. This first clade, subclade, early EDE groups or eudicot groups, 70 hundreds and 70 families. EDE plus ceratophyllales plus dillenids. Then second subclades, 18 orders, 150 families, saxifragales plus rosids. Then third clades, 20 orders, 146 families, Berberinodopsicales, Chantelales, Caryophyllales plus aristids. These are classifications or general outline of angiosperm phylogenetic groups. Then early angiosperms. What is the characters of early angiosperms? 8 orders and 26 families. 8 orders and 26 families. ANA grade plus magnolids and chloranthes. In these systems, seeds always with 2 cotyledons. Presence of ethereal oil. Leaves are always simple and reticulate venation. Each floral holds with many parts. Stamens with broad filamentous. Anthers tetrasporangiate and carpels usually free. Nectar is rare and embryo very small. These are characters of early angiosperms or ANA grade. Then second, monocots. Second clade, monocots. Monocots are 11 orders and 77 families, classified on the basis of following characters: ethereal oil rarely present, seeds with single or seeds with singles or one cotyledons, parallel venation of the leaves, adventitious root system, herbaceous plants. Vascular bundles are scattered, but in first eudicot, first vascular bundles are ring. Floral pods usually in 3. Perianth is called tepals. Pollen monocolpate or mononucleate. Styles hollow, successive microsporangiogenesis. These are characters of monocots. Then eudicots, characters of eudicots. 45 orders, total 45 orders and 313 families. Early diverging eudicots, that is EDE, early diverging eudicots, including ceratophyllales, dillenids, saxifragales, rosids, Berberitopsiids, Chantelales and Caryophyllales plus asterids. Then characters of these eudicots, there is 2 dicots, seeds with always 2 cotyledons, stomata anomocytic, that is subsidiary cells are unequal in length or unequal in size, and ethereal oil rarely present. Woody or herbaceous plant, leaves simple or compound with reticulate venetion. Flowers parts are mostly 2, 4, 5, that is tetramerous or pentamerous. Microsporogenesis, simultaneous type, style solid, pollen, tricolpate. These are characters of eudicot. Then fourth point, first angiosperm, early angiosperm, monocots, dicots. Next point, important point, what is the merits and what is the demerits? Same as artificial, natural and phylogenetic system. What is merits and what is demerits of APG systems of classification? The APG system is based on the information of various disciplines, that is gross morphology, karyogamy, palynology, anatomy, genetics, molecular biology. These are various disciplines, and on this basis, this family or this system is based. This is the merits of APG system. Then, formal group names have been given only up to the level of order. These formal groups names up to the only the order level. Then, angiosperms are not traditionally divided into dicots and monocots or polygamopetals. Angiosperms are not traditionally or divided into dicot, monocot, polypetally, apetally and gamopetally. This is the merits of APG systems of classification. Then number of cladograms are being presented for general abilities. For general abilities, number of cladograms, clades, molecular biology are included or given in this system, and this is the merits of APG system. Then families of primitive features are placed in the beginning. Primitive features family or characters of primitive families are placed in the beginning. This is the merits of APG systems of classification. Then the system has adopted phylogenetic principles of morphology. This system is adopted phylogenetic systems of morphology. This is the fifth or sixth merits of APG system. Then demerits, classification, demerits. Classification have not proceeded below the family level. Only classification have been proceeded only the order level. This is the merits. But demerits, classification is having not proceeded in the family level. This is the demerits of AP system. Because we will discuss example Hibiscus rosa sinensis. Hibiscus rosa sinensis is classified up to morphology, vegetative character, floral characters, inflorescence, flower, calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium, seed, fruit. These are hierarchy or arrangement of classification, and this arrangement shows or describe or classify the families, and this classification is not given in these families, and this is the demerits of AP system. Second, angiosperms have been given rank of division. Angiosperms have been given rank of division. That is, angiosperms not given in rank of division. That is, angiosperms are classified into subdivision, class, subclass, series, order, family, genus, species, subspecies. These are rank. This ranks is not given in the APG system. This is the demerits of system. Number of families and genera remain unplaced. Some families and genera have been remains unplaced. That is not given in this system because this is a phylogenetic system. Then fourth, names of informal group are not in accordance with ICBN. International Code of Botanical Nomenclature is not given this informal group, and this is not accepted by ICBN because this group is not included in the International Code of Botanical Nomenclature, and this is the demerits of APG system or angiospermic or angiosperm phylogenetic group system. Then next, unusual phenomenon of classification system. Then classification system is with unusual phenomenon, and this is demerits of APG system. This is important, and brief characters or brief descriptions of angiospermic phylogenetic groups of various disciplines of botanists that is karyogamy or genetics, molecular biologist, paleontologist, embryologist, anatomist किंवा anatomist and strongly groups of DNA sequence synthesis. This lecture is only for the, this is lecture is only for the, or this video lecture is only for the educational purpose for SYBSc students, taxonomy of angiosperms and plant ecology paper first, and this paper carry 2 credit points in the our SYBSc syllabus. Thank you, thank you, thank you.